So let's see what's there in the cards today. Today I'm not going to go by card 1, card 2. I'm going to take you all with the flow. I don't know why I felt I should just take you all with the flow. So I'm taking you all with the flow. So I hope you all don't mind me doing that. So let's pull out. Okay, let's see what it is coming. Throat portal. Now here I feel a lot of things you've kept suppressed inside you, and for some of you there is some cough and cold issues because of which this card has come. So if you are having cough and cold, work on your root throat chakra, work on cleansing your throat chakra. Maybe you can even use a blue calcite. You can keep it near your throat and you can heal your throat with it. You can even use chalcedonic crystal. Chalcedonic crystal works beautifully on the throat chakra. And now coming back to the reading, if there's something which you want to open up and speak, then don't hesitate. Open up and speak. If you feel there is something or someone in your home, someone in your office, like sometimes the boss suppresses us, the boss doesn't allow us to talk. So then if that is the case, sit down, meet the boss, talk to your boss and make them understand what it is that you're desiring and what it is that is upsetting you, which what he's doing, and you are actually not liking that part. So maybe that ways you will be happy that you were able to tell the person what you felt like telling them. So that is one way you can work today. Open up, speak the truth. And if you're not well, if you have anything related to throat, cold, cough, sinus or anything, work on your throat chakra. Sorry. Now this is the card I want to take out for your abundance. Beautiful. Today's card, I see this beautiful tiger here. So finances are going to be good. You will be able to see improvements in finances, and when I see this, I feel you'll be happy that you were able to achieve the financial part which you wanted. Or maybe if someone is starting a new venture, you all will be successful in starting the new venture. If you're expecting some payments to come to you, those payments will come to you. If you're expecting some sort of financial growth happening today, that will also happen. So overall finances is very good. Now because today I didn't bring out card 1 and card 2, I'm doing a general reading. I'm going to give you all one more card so that you can do that as an affirmation. Affirm this 5 times in the morning, burning a white candle if you can. I accept that here now is exactly where I am, and that it is a place of profound learning. So do this, tell this 5 times. Those who have the time, please tell it 11 times. You will find the energy is tremendous. Burn a white candle and tell this 11 times or 5 times. I repeat, I accept that here now is exactly where I am, and that it is a place of profound learning. So I hope you all enjoyed the reading today. I shall come back again with the next reading. Thank you.